Next-generation smart cities are not just digital, they are becoming intelligent urban organisms. Beyond traffic sensors and basic automation, predictive analytics now anticipate infrastructure failures before they happen. With breakthroughs in material science, we are entering an era of self-healing cities, where roads, bridges, and utilities can autonomously repair and adapt. At the heart of this transformation lies citizen-centric design. Real-time feedback loops are being integrated into city services, ensuring that public systems adjust to the needs and well-being of residents. This is more than AI infrastructure. Decentralized edge computing and IoT networks are weaving together hyper-responsive local environments. Green infrastructure is merging with the smart grid, creating bio-integrated cities where natural systems and digital systems work as one. Urban planning itself is evolving to account for emotional intelligence, designing spaces that actively promote mental health and social cohesion. Tomorrow's smart cities will deliver hyper-personalized services, from autonomous shuttles that learn individual commuting patterns to predictive healthcare systems that anticipate needs before they arise. Resource optimization will reach new levels, dynamically managing energy, water, and waste in real time. Advanced design and AI will also embed disaster resilience directly into the urban fabric, enabling cities to recover faster and stronger from crises. But technology alone is insufficient. The future of smart cities depends on bridging the digital divide, ensuring equitable access, embedding transparency into data governance, and cultivating citizen co-creation. Residents will not simply live in these cities, they will help shape them. Around the world, pioneering urban centers are already demonstrating this potential, attracting new industries, stimulating innovation, and reimagining economic growth. The smart city is no longer a distant vision, it is an unfolding paradigm. And the question is not whether these cities will arrive, but how each of us will participate in their evolution.